Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a nude festive makeup look. If you are someone who likes nude makeup, then this video is only for you. So let's begin. First, I'm going to prep my skin using Nykaa Skin Potion Facial Oil. This is my current favorite facial oil. I love this oil and makeup glides on so smoothly on top of it. To fill my pores, I'm using Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer and I'm applying this on my T-zone area. Then I'm taking Maybelline Fit Me Concealer to cover up my pigmentation and spots. You can obviously use any foundation that you like, which gives you sheer to medium coverage. I'm only using concealer today and then just blend everything well. To set my concealed area, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder now, and then I'm quickly moving to my blush. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Blush in the shade Rose 30. This is a very soft pink blush. I'm quickly filling in my brows and then moving to my eyes. I'm taking this lavender color to just give some depth to my eyes. The palette I'm using is Lakme Absolute Infinity Eyeshadow Palette in Pink Paradise. When you go for a nude makeup, it is important that you give some dimension to your eyes because the rest of your face is more of the nude side. So you need to give some dimension at least to the eyes. Now I'm curling my lashes and then using a generous coat of Maybelline Volume Express Mascara. To highlight my highest points, I'm using Swiss Beauty Liquid Highlighter. I'm using a tiny amount of this on my cheekbones and on the tip of my nose. The benefit of using a liquid highlighter is that when you apply it, it looks natural and it looks super fresh. And the last step is to apply your favorite nude lipstick and you're ready. And this is the final finished look, guys. Perfect nude look that you can create on any daytime occasion or simply anywhere. You can modify the eye makeup by using any other bright color if you want. Hope you liked watching this quick tutorial, and if you did, then don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.